I went to Sneh Resort, located near the backwaters of Kasarsai Dam. I was just looking for a getaway, just a break from the noise, from the rush, and everything that felt too much. But what I found is something I wasn't prepared for. A place where time slows down, where mornings feel softer, where silence feels full, not empty, full of space, of light, of breath. I wandered and stumbled upon stories of courage, curiosity, and freedom. A reminder that wonder doesn't fade. We just forget to look for it. And laughter? It came easily. Not loud, not chaotic, but real. The kind you don't just post, the kind you remember. And somehow, without traveling miles, I traveled a lot. I traveled to a different state. I traveled to a different time. And I even traveled to a chocolate factory. Yes, there is literally a chocolate factory here. All in all, I walked through a beautiful garden while looking at some weirdly looking sculptures. Got few good scares. I watched and fed the most unique birds preserved by Sneh Resort, got to know about myself, did some pottery, watched a traditional Rajasthani woman dancing with a cute little one, and I dared to do some crazy stunts too. But the real luxury was the space. A space to rest, to connect, and to just be. No rush, no one to judge you, just a presence. Dinner here wasn't rushed, it wasn't loud. It felt like the day gently winding down. Every bite was slow, every conversation was warmer, and every second intentional. The word Sneh means love, and love means opening our doors to those wounded the most, but expected the least. We share our space with these special guests, because the most beautiful memories are the ones we give away. So, yes, I was just looking for a getaway, and I ended up finding life itself.